Hello everyone, welcome today to my channel, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. Are you new in Germany or you are new to my channel? You are just transitioning into Germany or you are in Germany, you are a professional or a non-professional, you want to change careers. This video is for you. My channel is targeted to give you information about vocational training options that you have in Germany. All videos are crafted with precision to give you the specific information you need for specific career options. So, why choose Germany? Like I always say, you must understand the German language, and the vocational training system in Germany is robust. That is where you learn and earn. You have hands-on experience and you have academic learning. There are different types of vocational training. It can be the Beruf type or the Ausbildung, whichever one. That is the profession, the college profession. So whichever one you intend to go to, they are all going to lead you to success in your career. Don't forget to join our community where we have people who have treaded the path and they are successful in their careers. This will do you good to hear their stories and how you can start your journey, and when it comes to your career options, how you can do well and integrate into the German environment well. By watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are benefiting families and friends. So you can share, spread the wealth of knowledge. Together we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So in this video, I'll be discussing the first career. So if you are all about mechanical engineering, this is a playlist. You can go through the playlist and choose any option you want. But in this video today, I'll be discussing the technical assistant for mechatronics, that is technician assistant for mechatronic. The duration is 2 to 3 years, and it's a Beruf Fachschulberuf. That's the type of the Ausbildung. It's a Beruf Fachschulberuf. It's a vocational college profession, and you need your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss, that's intermediate living school certificate. That is what you need. Intermediate school living certificate, your Mittlere Bildungsabschluss. Anything lower than this, you won't be accepted into this vocational training. So what do you do in this job? The technical assistant they support engineers. Engineers are into technologies. If you are you are interested in technology when it comes to metals, then this is what they are into. Technicians in development of manufacture of components such as the braking system, the production of robots, machine tools. If you're interested in the production of robots, machine tools, this is a career you want to look into, or components of technical systems. They plan and monitor work processes and prepare installation of systems as well. They plan and prepare installation of technical systems. They can start their own company, or they work directly at customer sites and they put mechanical, hydraulic, electrical components, electronics together and install relevant software. They also put systems into operation and they teach those that they are using the system how to operate them. Their tasks also include maintenance and repair of automated equipment system. Why do you find employment? This is a very lucrative environment where you can find work anywhere. In automation technology, you can find employment in all automation technology companies, or mechanical or plant engineering companies, in vehicle companies, in aircraft companies, spacecraft companies, and in information and communication or medical technology companies. Any company that is using anything that is equipped with electronics, that is with robots, that is equipped with machines, this is where you can find an employment, your job career. So stay tuned in the next video. It's about the technical product designer. I will see you in the next video. This is the first part of the video. The second part is still in this video, so continue to watch this video to the end. Then I will discuss another career option, which is a technical product designer. So if you want to become a technical product designer in Germany, I will encourage you to continue to watch the video to the end. So see you in the next video. So welcome back. I'll be discussing in the second career the technical product designer. That is the technische product designer in the Fachrichtung Maschinen- und Anlagekonstruktion. So in this career, it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training, and the duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's 3 years and 5 months. With any of the certificates, your chances of getting into this vocational training is high. That's your university qualification certificate, your secondary school or your intermediate school leaving certificate. That is your Hochschulreife, Hauptschlussabschluss, or Mittelbildungsabschluss. Any of this, you are admitted into this career. Sorry. So technically, if you want to come into this with this certificate, you can come into it. It's 3 years and 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So what do they do? In collaboration with the development department, they use the CAD systems to produce detailed models. For modernization, for example, in machine tools, in doing so, they observe the relevant standards and enter dimensions that are appropriate for production. They take electrical components into account when they are doing their design or their modeling, and they constructively implement suggestions for changes when they are doing testing reports, when they are doing their design, the model design. They maintain products documentation, they manage different development versions, and save the data. So what they do is they design the model with CAD, so software. So where do they find employment? They find employment in development and design departments, particularly in industrial sectors for mechanical engineering or plant engineering or vehicle engineering and equipment construction, and in the packaging industry, in design offices and in industrial services providers. That is where they find employment. In design and development, that is where they find employment. Stay tuned for more mechanical engineering careers. This is the last career under this first area of specialization. The second career part will be discussed in coming videos. So if you haven't hit your subscribe button and you haven't activated your notification bell, do so that when I drop those careers options, you'll be the first to know about it. Don't give up on your careers, because don't forget, only you can stop you.